Good morning, guys. I am just getting to the property, and late last night, well, not late last night, but we were just leaving and it was about 4:30ish, 5, and we went home, and then I was going out because it was Dad's birthday, and that's why we went home early. But I went to the mailbox, and then sure enough, when I came up the road, I noticed that hydro came. So we have power to the house. We're gonna hook up a circuit today, and we were gonna see if we could get the lights running and some outlets. So there we go. So yesterday I got most of the fireplace closed in, and the boys worked on getting the office finished. So that's all done. It's starting to look like rooms instead of just walls. And then they put up that sheet as well. So today we are going to try and get this circuit hooked up. This runs the outside lights, the foyer lights, these outlets, and what?
I'm breaking through wood. Like mine, break.
And why are you home today?
Because I'm sick.
Yeah. So, it runs the closet LED, the foyer light, the outside light, and then the garage lights. So, I don't know if I ever showed you, I did purchase a light. So that will be on that circuit as well. And then you guys know that the front garage have lights. And then we do have a light already for there. And then that's just a smoke detector, which is on a totally different circuit. Oh, and I did round the windows and everything yesterday. Completely closed in. We just have to build the hearth around the hearth extension. It comes out, I think, 18 inches, and we haven't done that yet because we haven't figured out what stone we're using, and we have to base it off of the stone. So yes, cool, dude. Okay, Dad just fixed up the 2 GFI outlets on the island. I had already put them in. What did you do to them? Just made sure that they were good?
I switched your ground. I always put them with ground like this.
Like what? Oh, did I have them upwards?
Yeah.
Oh, well then,
listen to
yeah.
me. So I always put them this way, and the reason why is because fridge cords and every other kind of cord Oh, they always come out of the wall and go 90 down.
I picture them that way anyway, so.
But anyway, so what I did is I took your ground off the top because the ground's on the bottom here. Right? So I took the ground off the top and I put it down to the bottom and I just looped it back to it like that. So everything stays down bottom on the ground and it never comes up onto the sides. You know what I mean? That's.
Yeah.
So anyways, we're gonna, we gotta take that off.
Got the key.
Yeah. And
I couldn't get it to pop in.
so those are these ones?
Yeah.
Well, looks like it's gonna work.
See, it pops in, but then it doesn't pop in all the way.
Yeah. But I'm gonna be taking the door back off, so. Yeah, I'll deal with that after. You gotta take the door off.
That's scary. There's power. There's power. That's scary.
These are all off. I can't
Yes,
see.
they're all off.
For sure?
Yes, I made sure all of them
Well,
were
that's
off.
actually locked.
Yes, that's why. Here.
Oh, that lock actually works.
Well, it's supposed to. Here's the key right there.
I can't see it. The light's
Oh,
shining
sorry.
in my eye.
That's where we hear bang, 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 bang. That's scary.
Cool. Yeah. Which one's the island, man?
Good question.
I can't. I'll put it over here.
Here, it'll be right there, kitchenette.
The kids modified this for me. Eh?
Yeah, they did a lovely artistic job on it.
Okay, there we go. Which one's which?
Kitchen outlets, kitchen island, right there. Number
Kitchen
10.
Island GFI, number 10. What's number 10?
Number
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, here. You gotta go right there. Number 10.
Yeah. This one? You sure?
This one.
That's a 20. I wouldn't put your finger in there. Bye. Did it work?
I don't know. Let's
Did
go
I get
try.
you? No, did I get
Oh,
you?
no.
Oh, I didn't get you?
No, not at all. Sorry. Uh-oh.
So I'll work it. Oh my God.
It's because it's tamper resistant. Are you able to do that? Oh, there you go. We have a light. There's a little green light. Is it because it's tamper resistant?
Yeah. I can't shove it in through.
There's power. Oh, D don't like that. There's power. It's okay, D. Look at that. Our first little light in the house is a GFI light. He's got his friggin' cord all ready to go, ready to be plugging in his phone.
These two light up,
Yep.
and that one don't. It's fine.
Okay.
And now we'll test the. There it is.
Look at that. Would you look at that? And that means it's working. Oh yeah.
Now, we'll check this one because it's a CFI protector.
Yep.
Those two. There
Look
it
at
is. Yeah,
And
that's working.
Cool.
You go turn that generator off. Stop. Yeah, you'll break your nail.
I know.
Okay.
Break those pretty nails that I just painted. Okay, first thing plugged in. Heat. Can't have our furnace yet, so we gotta run propane salamander off propane. There we go. Gonna work on the most complicated switches. And it's only complicated because there's 2 breakers inside 1 box. Okay, Dad's got it all wired up. So these 2 are on 1 breaker and these are on another breaker. This is the LED light for this closet, and then this one is for the garage lights, and they're on 1 breaker with the girls' room. and then this is the foyer, and then the outside light, and it's on the office. So
you need an operating manual.
basically. So all we have to do in the office is hook up a single light. Dad got the light up in the foyer with one bulb so we can test it. And all the LEDs are already up from when Matthew and Dad did it the day I was doing installation. So now we just got to put that up there. But all the outlets are in this room and the switches are also in this room. So we just get to test this, and then we have to work on Baby Girl's room. In Baby Girl's room, all the outlets are hooked up as well and switches are hooked up as well. We just need another light up there. And in both closets, the LEDs are already hanging. Dad just put up a light. Those are the lights that we're gonna be using in the crawl space. They're just cheap little string lights, pole lights. We got all the outlets in, the switches in, all good. And the LEDs. So this circuit, oh, there's one more outlet.
I'm getting it.
What?
Can't get out.
Okay, stop. You have to push no thanks.
Oh.
Okay, last one on the circuit. Breaker number 13.
Oh, we started with 13?
No, we didn't.
That was stupid.
No, we started with number 10.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
So,
You got a cover for it?
no, not those.
Good. Well, you can
Okay.
put on. I'm taking your word for it. I didn't
Well,
check. So.
are you gonna let me turn on those switches, or you want to turn those switches on?
What switches?
For the lights.
No, you put on the breaker.
I'm going to, but are you gonna let me?
turn it on? Go ahead.
Okay. Breaker number 13. That the one right there. This one. Ready? Okay, are we ready? Are we gonna switch something on?
What, man?
Ready? I don't know. I don't remember which one. This one is the LEDs, I think, and then this is the center.
Can you put a light switch on? We're outside going to.
1, 2, 3. Light! Holy. Wow, that's bright. It takes away the bright. Holy. Hang on, that's not the only one.
Oh, it doesn't work.
There it is.
But it's
They're
got
not
pole
that
chains. I didn't know
yellow.
if the pole chain was on or off.
Yeah, they're not that yellow.
What?
The LEDs compared to like that bulb.
Yeah.
That's good. Holy, it's brightening. Good. My office is bright. That's exactly what we need.
What else is
That one, the foyer.
So there's 12, right? Number 12 is, this is all number 12, right?
Yeah. No, this is 13.
Yeah, but this
Oh,
is all on number 12.
No, foyer is on this one. 13. This one.
Oh, what
Right there. See?
else is it? That's it, just Baby
No.
Girl's room now?
Foyer and outside lights.
That's not on it, is it?
Outside lights.
Oh,
You wanna
how many
go-
things do I got on the freaking circuit?
Enough.
I lost track of what's on.
Hang on, you gotta put a switch on.
Huh?
You gotta put a switch on. Okay, go. Woohoo! We're gonna need
This
some.
one's on, Baby Girl.
Yes.
So those are on?
Yep.
Oh, that's cold up there, man.
Yep.
That's nasty up there. See ya.
And dark. Look at that! We got light! Okay, I'm just headed to the hardware store. We borrowed a bulb from Mom to use in the office, and now we need another one in Baby Girl's room to complete that circuit because Dad broke the other one! And that was Mom's bulb for her lamp. So now I have to go get a bulb. And I'm gonna grab like a bunch of like just contractor bulbs to go in there for now to test circuits and stuff like that. So just heading there quickly. It's pretty crappy out, raining, yucky, damp. Okay, I'm back and Dad just finished wiring up the Baby Girl's room. Those switches are done at the front hall. We got one switch on this circuit here for 3 LEDs, one outlet here, and then Baby Girl's room with a light It's actually going to be a fan, and then the LED here for the closets. Okay, do you want me to run down?
Yeah.
And this is breaking number 12. Breaking number 12. Okay, you ready? Okay, do I turn on a closet? 1. You want to turn on that one? 2. Turn on 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Then we got a light. And the outlets. Oh, and the most important one of all that we've been waiting for all day. Hang on.
Hold on. Let me open the door.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, ain't that just special? Hang on.
I like it.
Look at that! I got a lit up house! There it is. The only light we don't have on is that one.
You turn the outside lights off completely?
Yeah, why? Do you want me to leave some on?
No, leave the garage ones on.
Sure. We're done for the night. We're leaving the garage lights on. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye! It's pouring! Are you ready, Dee? Okay.
You gonna put them in on your side?
Yep.
Okay, go.
I have to fix the thing now.